जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। आज 1 सितंबर 2023 और जलसा सालाना जर्मनी 2023 का जो जुम्मा है वो मुकम्मल हुआ। दोस्त जो हैं जुम्मे के बाद बाहर निकल रहे हैं। तो मेरे साथ इस वक्त एक फैमिली है जो मैसेडोनिया से आई हुई है और आप देखें हज़रत मसीह मौला सल्लल्लाहु की जो जमात है कितनी तेज़ी के साथ पूरी दुनिया के मुख्तलिफ जो लोग हैं, मुख्तलिफ अक़वाम है, उनमें फैल रही है। इनसे हम इंग्लिश में कोई बात करेंगे और इनसे पूछेंगे कि मैसेडोनिया में कितने अहमदी हैं, ये कब से अहमदी है। ओके, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आई विल लाइक टू नो हाउ मैनी अहमदीज according to your information are now in Macedonia. You can tell approximately how many?
More than 100 people.
More than 100. And from these 100 people, how many people are Macedonian?
Are what?
Macedonian, not Pakistani. They are all Macedonian?
We are all Macedonian.
Okay. And can you tell me how you got this truth? How you find this Ahmadiyat in Macedonia?
One imam
Yes.
came to Macedonia.
Yes.
And he was many years with us, and we learned about Ahmadiyat from him.
Okay. Your whole family got together to Ahmadiyat?
My whole family is Ahmadiyya.
Yes. And what in Macedonia, there are some people who are opposing. They are against Ahmadiyat. Do you know there are some people as well?
I didn't meet someone like this, but they are sure it is.
Okay. And you also spread this message to your friends, your families?
Yes, of course.
And what they say when you say what is Ahmadiyat, and you in Macedonia, the majority people are Muslims or they are Christian?
They are more Christians.
More Christian. And when you got to Ahmadiyat, you were before that you were also Christian, or you
No,
were?
I'm born Ahmadi.
You are born Ahmadi. Ah, really? And your family, they when they
They returned to Ahmadis. They
Okay,
were not
okay.
Ahmadis.
And what do you think? Is anybody? You are first time here, like this Jalsa in Germany. You are first time, or
No, this is my fourth time.
fourth
Third
time? But such a big place, first time you are seeing.
Yes,
And
this is amazing.
yeah, really.
feeling.
What will you give some message for the people who have not accepted Ahmadiyat till yet? What will you say? What have you learned in your life? What is the experience of Ahmadi?
The experience is that if they join Ahmadiyya, they
Yeah.
will see the real path, and everyone is amazing.
Yes.
And also we spread this message:
Yes.
love for everyone and hate for no one.
Okay. And what do you think in your country, in your opinion, the people are feeling that they should accept Ahmadiyat, or it is not very easy?
Yes, they are thinking of it, but we will
Okay.
see.
So you think there should be more missionary in your country? People they have learned about Ahmadiyat. They should be. How many missionaries are now there in Macedonia? I mean, who are preaching there? They are Pakistani, maybe from Pakistan. Missionary. You understand missionary?
We had 3 different imams,
Okay.
like presidents,
Yes.
and they were doing such a great job.
Oh,
with
very
all
nice. So I will say once Allahu Akbar as a Nara Takbir, you can all together say how you respond. Like Nara Takbir, we say Allahu Akbar. Is it also for you in your country very common?
Yes, we
Yeah.
also say this.
Yeah. What?
I will sing tomorrow.
You there in Jalsa ladies side? Okay, very nice. Okay, thank you very much for giving some time. Now we have a young man here who performed Namaz Jummah behind Hazur Aqdas. We will ask him in English where he come from and how long has he been Ahmadi. Okay, just tell me what is your name?
My name is Ammar Al-Masri.
Yes.
I am 14 years old.
14, yes.
I live in Croatia actually.
Okay.
But I am born in Syria.
Okay.
But I am originally Palestinian.
Oh, very nice. How you call this one?
This is Shemal.
Shamal. Shamal. Ah, very nice. Okay. And you were born Ahmadi?
Yes, I was born.
Your parents are Ahmadi?
My father made bayat before I was born in
Oh,
2 years.
really? Very
in
nice.
2007.
Very nice.
Yes.
And is it your first experience to see Khalifa
Yes,
live?
Alhamdulillah, it's
Oh,
my
very
first
nice.
time and it was really
Okay.
amazing.
Very amazing, inspirational, eh?
Yes.
Very inspired. And in your country where you are living, do you know a lot of Ahmadis living there?
In Croatia, there's no actually a lot of Ahmadis.
Okay.
only my family and more of his sahibs.
Okay.
And there is a small family that is far away from us a lot.
Okay.
So we don't have connection with them a lot.
Okay. So you are enjoying now the
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have a nice time. See you next time inshallah. Thank you. Okay. ले जी दोस्तों, आप अभी इंटरव्यूज़ सुन रहे हैं मुख्तलिफ मेहमान जो मुख्तलिफ मुल्कों से आए हुए हैं। अभी ये देखें जुमे के बाद बिल्कुल पूरा हाल यहाँ 25-30 हज़ार अफराद बैठे नज़र आ रहे थे। वो आहिस्ता आहिस्ता खाने की तरफ जा रहे हैं। अभी अब थोड़ा जाके नज़ारा खाने के जो इंतज़ामात हैं उसका भी लेंगे, तो बाकी इंशाल्लाह साथ साथ आपको ये जो दिलचस्प सारे नज़ारे हैं वो साथ साथ दिखाते रहेंगे।